Yeah, peeps. Interesting heritage of Jamaica, peeps. We are in Holland bamboo. This is the Holland bamboo in St Elizabeth. Alright, yeah man. But I know so this is a part of our heritage too, don't I don't know why, but I have to do the research and I'll let you guys know in the following video. Alright, but this is a part of our heritage and this is the Holland bamboo, guys. Yeah? So I'm going to drive through Holland bamboo now. We're still on our way. We have a Black River and then we make our way up to where that place the name again, if I remember. Ipswich St Elizabeth to the Ipswich train station. Until the road down here kind of booming. Yeah guys, so well, this is some tune.
I get lost inside my thoughts and when I start.
Guys, so we get a light a while ago, meaning it's a police around the corner. Alright, so I take my time, go down. The car straight, everything intact. Yeah, peeps, so thank you all for watching. Really appreciate the fact that you're watching the videos. Promise to give you quality content for the time you spend watching. Alright guys. So you know in Jamaica when you drive and you see a man blink him headlight at you, most likely he will tell us say, oh, police down the road or something are going down the road. If I know your friend and I'm not yell my yellow, see that again, peeps? Yeah, he might tell me say police down the road and that look like a big police. But anyway, I'm straight as I say still, so I have no worries. Let's take my time go through this video. So guys, this is the Holland bamboo. Yeah? Part of our natural heritage. As I say, I'm not sure the information why it is a part of our heritage, but it is a part of our heritage, alright? So I have to show you guys this. Okay? Well, then patch out the roads too, that's the kind of body. Guys, this look like step down the road.
My love, I'm gone, I need to be strong. The darkness had tried to swallow me. Some things I fall, but I hear your call. I pray I don't get to cry. Gravity. Gravity. Gravity.
So that was the police. Type police in the comment section if you're here with me. And we're on our journey again. This is the Holland bamboo, guys. So peeps, the car is stuck in a first. And then I drive a while ago, I get it out of first. Because when I rev it, it'll come out of first, which meant I don't like that still. But then every time that happens, then there comes somebody again in front of me, break up, and the car go right back down, you know. So that's the only issue right now, guys. The reverse kind of give me an issue too. The mechanic, big up Rat, you know, big up Rat mechanic. One of the best mechanic around in the Kingston area. Kingston, I think Kingston 20, if you said Kingston, I'm making to know, guys. But yeah, one of the best mechanics, make my car drive. Him say me can't go and drive with the transmission until we get one. So you know that, but not really all that. But I do what I have to do, you know? Yeah, peeps. So guys, we have exited the Holland bamboo now. So you know, I'll stop camera again. Yeah guys, so we're in a place called Lacovia in St Elizabeth. And what I'm going to show you guys, as you see behind me with the Jamaica flag on it, that's 2 graves in the middle of the road. And I'll show you that time. The story is that friends were having drink in a tavern nearby when a fight developed between 2 people. Eventually, both of them were killed and they were buried side by side in the middle of the road, in the square. Let me show you the graves, guys. Yeah, peeps, so this is Lacovia and those are the graves, peeps. Let me show you this. And the fact is, it's right in the middle of the road, as you notice, guys. These are 2 graves. This says, here lies the body of Thomas Jordan Spencer. Alright guys, so we'll look up that type back in the comment section down below so we can remember that. Thomas Jordan Spencer. And this looks to me like a Freemason emblem right here. I'm gonna take a pic of that. Alright guys. And this is the other one. There is no inscription on this one, so it seems that one was in high position and the other was not. Alright, so this is the gas station, guys. The Texaco gas station. We're turning left now to go Ipswich. Babes, you know one of the worst thing happened to me right now. Yeah? Rain and fall. I'm there way around in one place called Ipswich in a St Elizabeth, guys. I saw the road stay where I go down to the train station. You see me? I'm a windscreen and fog up because I get for the AC in the car yet. You see it? The rain kind of hold up here now. You know? So I try to make it. So I have to drive, peeps, and it's almost evening time already. You know? But we got some very interesting sights. Yeah? Yeah guys, I saw down yesterday and you see the fog. I fogged that. Jeez. You see the fog, guys. See how the road stay, peeps? Can't afford to get a flat round or something. So that may have to do a wipe off my windscreen. Hey guys, the rain kind of hold up here now. I really wish I would hold up. Yeah guys, so I saw the road still leading up to the Ipswich train station. Alright guys, I know I promise you all that vlog, so yeah, may I get on it. Alright, as you notice, these videos have been uploaded in parts because I couldn't have done the journey and put it out all at once. Alright, so give thanks to those who have been watching the series, the St Elizabeth historical series. Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah guys, so the rain bait too bad to them one. You know? We're down in the country. getting there. So if you want to get there, type get there in the comment section down below. Peeps, I don't even know I'm tired right now. Now almost 3 o'clock or after 3. Leave home from after 7 this morning, I think. Yeah. Got some very interesting stuff still, so it's all worth it. Thanks again for watching part 2 in our journey to Ipswich St Elizabeth. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, type Holland Bamboo or type Ipswich in the comment section down below. I type both. Alright, and look out for part 3, the big one, when you reach at the train station. Alright peeps, you all stay blessed.